I'm Mark Allen for Expert Village. We're going to make a blackberry sauce for our Cornish game hens. I'm peeling and cutting right now a shallot, which is related to the onion and also to garlic. It's almost a cross between, though it has a much, much milder flavor. I cheat when I do these. You'll see what I mean in a minute. What I do is, because I don't have the patience most of the time to chop, I'll use a little Cuisinart. This little food processor, put it in. The secret here, the key, is to keep pounding it like this. If you just hold it down, you're going to liquefy your vegetable, whatever it is. I do garlic this way. I do onions this way. And there we go. Now we have the shallots. I've already done the same thing with about a tablespoon of garlic.